threatened me. You know, I'm 80 years old and he's going to beat the shit out of me.
What's his name?
I'm sorry. I'm not exactly with it today. We had somebody here about something else and came over and next door about he was there, his boyfriend was there. They didn't answer the door. He's in there, he didn't answer the door. Yeah, he's not going to answer.
Okay.
He's always here. And it's not just me and me, we're practicing.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
My name's Dan.
I'm Elliot.
Nice to meet you. So I'm an engineer.
Okay.
All right. The community asked me to come out here and take a look at your drainage problem.
Okay.
So, about the meeting.
Yes. Right there.
All right. So we're just trying to figure out. I'm trying to assess everything and see what I can do to help.
Okay.
So what is your assessment?